This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a Kia Optima headlight using an easy method. First, let's get prepared. You will need a new headlight bulb, ensuring it's the correct type for your vehicle, and possibly a 10mm wrench. Always start by making sure your car is completely off and the key is out of the ignition for safety. Then, simply pop open the hood to begin. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Look behind the headlight assembly for a circular cap. Gently twist this cap counterclockwise until it comes off, revealing the bulb inside. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. On some models, especially the driver's side, you might need to use a 10mm wrench to temporarily loosen and move the battery terminal for better access. With the old bulb exposed, twist it counterclockwise and pull it straight out. When handling your new bulb, remember to never touch the glass with your bare fingers, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Connect the new bulb firmly to the electrical harness. Then, carefully insert the new bulb into its housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Once the new bulb is installed, replace the circular cap by twisting it clockwise until it's snug. If you moved the battery or any other components, put them back in their original positions. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working properly, checking both high and low beams. For optimal visibility and consistent light, it's often a good idea to replace both headlights at the same time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.